Today we're going to hopefully finish the project. It's been quite the journey. We'll install the shifter cable, the brake cables, as well as the previously misaligned grip. It's a good idea to keep the old cable housings to use as a guide for the new ones. However, I'd suggest checking if the old ones were the correct length prior to cutting the new ones.
What?
A quick note on cable housing. Make sure you deburr after cutting. I use a small rat tail file for inner burrs. After we finalize assembly, we'll do a quick shakeout ride and check the bearings, shifter, brakes, seat, and handlebars, and adjust if necessary. Okay, let's get started. Well, I believe we have a completed 1966 Schwinn Collegiate Deluxe, and I think it's a beauty. A couple of observations. First, the bike was in way worse shape than I originally thought. This made the overhaul quite a bit more challenging. I guess it's getting harder and harder to find an unmolested vintage Schwinn these days. Second, most of the hardware on this bike was way over-tightened. The crank was almost impossible to remove. This is not a weightlifting contest.
Ease up!
There are no prizes for making it impossible for the next guy.
Well, that's all for now. And remember, it's only original once. Take care.